So we're in bakery here, and this is an example of the way they ground down the meal. You would place it in this. It's a softer volcanic rock, and then you would have sticks put through there, staves, and the servants would push to grind together, and then out it would come in there. So the bakery was also a shop. So you would go there and purchase your bread or your flatbread, kind of like an early pizza. If you see things like here, this is them restoring, making sure the cracks don't get bigger. So that's modern, but that's as it appeared in the day. This is another bakery. We can see some of the mills over there, and then the back, that's where they had the ovens. Next door to this bakery, this is the main kind of area where the merchants' houses were. You can see this was a blacksmith's shop. That can be seen by his sign. There's the tools up there explaining what he did for all passers-by. Another Thermopolia. This one's had the marble taken off it.